Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new here. Today we're looking at how you can schedule a pin on Pinterest. So once you're logged into your account, you'll either be here at the Business Hub or just at your main feed. Go up to the top left and hit create and create a pin. Here you can add in your information. Once you've got it all here, you can choose your board where you want it to go. Make sure that when you're selecting that though that you don't accidentally hit the publish button. Just click on the group, and then at the bottom here you can see publish immediately or publish at a later date. So we're going to publish at a later date. We'll post this one. Today's Friday for me, the 21st, so I'm going to post it tomorrow on the 22nd at 11:30 a.m. Click off of it there and then you're good. Just hit publish. And then you can see pin scheduled, shows what it is, and you're good to go. If you want to see all your scheduled pins, it'll show you them all there. Then here you can go in and either publish it now or delete it as well. So there you go, that's how you schedule a pin on Pinterest. If you have any questions, please let me know. Check out my other social media scheduling videos in the playlist that I will link below as well. Make sure you give this video a like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time on Brian Sloan Artist.